In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GitHub repository public. If you've been working on a project in a private repository, and you're ready to share your hard work with the world, or perhaps collaborate with others, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head to the GitHub website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so by entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main GitHub dashboard. Now, navigate to the main page of the private repository that you wish to make public. You might have several repositories, so make sure to select the correct one. Once you've identified it, click on the repository name to open it. At the top of this page, you'll see several tabs right under your repository's name, including Code, Issues, Pull Requests, and more. Among these options, you'll find the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on it. In some cases, if you don't immediately see Settings, you'll likely spot a drop-down menu icon. Click that to reveal the Settings option and then select it. Once you're on the Settings page, start scrolling down the menu. You're looking for a section labeled Danger Zone. It might sound a bit ominous, but don't worry. We're in safe hands here. This section houses options for critical changes, including the one we need today. In the Danger Zone, you'll find a series of actionable items. You're looking for the option that says, Change Repository Visibility. Once you see it, look for the Change to Public button. This is your target. A dialog box will appear, aiming to ensure you truly intend to make this change. Here, GitHub will ask you to confirm by typing in the full name of your repository. This might seem like an extra step, but it's a fantastic safeguard to prevent accidental changes. So, go ahead and carefully type in the full repository name just as it appears at the top of your page. Once you've correctly entered the repository's name, click on the I understand Change Repository Visibility button. Congratulations! You've just made your repository public, opening up your project to the wider GitHub community. It's always a good idea to review your repository's settings before and after making it public. This ensures everything is set up just as you want it, and that any sensitive information is securely handled. If you ever want to revert back to a private repository, you can follow these steps again and select the appropriate option. And there you have it. Your repository is now public, and you're ready to share your contributions with the world. Thanks for following along, and happy coding.